This is Jeff Pearlman, founder and CEO of Xojo, and in this video I'm going to show you how to access the built-in system image icons for your Android projects. So icons are popular in apps with a graphical user interface, and Android's no exception. And fortunately, there are a lot of icons built right into Xojo that you can use in your apps. Let's take a look at this example app here. It's got a tab panel with add and edit. Let's say I want to add an icon to the add tab and an icon to the edit tab. Well, the tab panel in Android supports that. So how do I do that? Well, it's actually pretty easy. I'm going to double click on the tab panel, and that takes me to the opening event. Now there's some code in here from another example, but I want to assign an icon to tab 0. So I'll just put me and icon at, that's a method of the tab panel. And I want to assign an icon to the very first tab, which is 0. And how do I get to the icons that are built in? Well, you go to the picture class and you call system image, and then you pass it the name of an icon. Let's try account. And for the other tab, since it's for editing, I'm going to put picture.systemImage account-edit. All right. Now that I've put that code in to load in those system images, which are icons, into the icon properties, let's run and see what it looks like. And there they are. We've got some nice icons for our tabs. Now, how did I know what names to use? How did I know what those icons were called? Well, the library that we include in Xojo comes from pictogrammers.com. It's this library here, Material Design Icons. And there are almost 2,500 icons in this library. There's just a ton of them. And that's where I got those icons. And you see the icons, you can see the names, you can search for them. Like if I search for account, there's a lot of them for account. You can find the ones I used in there somewhere. There's also categories down the side as well to help you find the icons you want. So once you have the name, you just pass this name in to the system image method in the picture class, and you'll get the icon back. It's not grabbing that icon over the internet. The library is built into Xojo itself. Now, you can also use these icons by downloading them. So I can click on an icon, I can then download it and drag it into my project, but there really isn't a need to do that. You can just call the system image method and use them that way. So lots of icons for you to use in your apps, and easy way to get to them. So that's using system images on Android. Thanks for watching.